Experiencing issues with Verizon international calls? Let's start with the essential troubleshooting steps to get your calls working properly. First, verify that you have an active international calling plan or pay-per-use authorization on your Verizon account. Your account must be in good standing with no outstanding balances or fraud flags. Important: plan verification delays can take 24 to 48 hours for activation. If you just added international calling to your plan, you may need to wait before the service becomes active. Next, ensure your device has proper network selection and roaming settings enabled. Check your mobile network settings to confirm international roaming is turned on. Try dialing using both the 011 plus format and the plus sign format, followed by the country code, area code, and local number. Many calling issues are simply due to incorrect dialing format. Many problems arise from voice over LTE compatibility issues when abroad. Consider temporarily disabling VoLTE in your phone's settings and using a 3G network for calls instead. Finally, new AI-powered fraud detection systems may inadvertently block legitimate international calls. If your calls are being blocked, contact Verizon to verify your international calling patterns and whitelist your account. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most common Verizon international calling issues. Check your account status, verify device settings, use correct dialing formats, manage VoLTE compatibility, and be aware of fraud detection systems. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions can resolve persistent international calling issues. The first advanced technique is manual carrier selection. Access point name, or APN settings, control how your device connects to international networks. Each country may require specific APN configurations for optimal performance. Wi-Fi calling serves as an excellent backup method for international communication. This technology reduces reliance on cellular networks and often provides better call quality in areas with strong Wi-Fi but weak cellular coverage. Looking toward the future, Verizon has significantly expanded its 5G international roaming partnerships. The network now covers over 185 countries, providing faster speeds and more reliable connections for international travelers. Rich Communication Services, or RCS, represents the future of international messaging. This technology is expected to replace traditional SMS and MMS by 2026, offering enhanced features like read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media sharing. When advanced solutions don't resolve the issue, Verizon Customer Service provides professional intervention with a 78% success rate. For the most complex problems, technical support escalation achieves an impressive 94% success rate. These advanced solutions and emerging technologies provide multiple pathways to resolve international calling issues. From manual network selection to future-ready RCS messaging, Verizon continues to enhance global connectivity for its customers.